What's up, YouTube? How's it going? I'm back. It's Sparky Marky Mark here, and I'm here to do a special review and unboxing for a piece that came out in 2010, and it's a G-Shock piece released circa in the early 2010s, which was a decade ago. Sometime I'd say in the around the spring, and then also in the summer, also in December. Of course, this is the CB editions. We got the gold and black, you got the blue, you got the pink and silver, and you got the red and orange and black, I believe, who knows. So with that, oh wait, it's empty. Psych. Module 3230. Let's see what's in here. Whoa, I'm going to tell you about that in a moment. And let's see here. Here's a tag. I bought this at a mall somewhere in my Vice City. And then here's the module 3230, the rat one. And it's the same band that was in the M&M, which went on to be in the M&M a year later. And let's see the module. Let's see how it works. Got your alarm, you got your timer, my favorite. You got the stopwatch on your back. And if you could set an alarm, you could see the logo. You see it right there, and then you press it again. Looks like a bell. Press it another time, you got both. Then you could turn that off. And then for the loom, you got it like basically like a green LCD feel in it. Let's look a little bit. Magnificent, right? So this is a great piece. You can still find this either at a kiosk or maybe in a mall. Of course, you have to find the right one, of course, and or you can find it somewhere for a good price. That they still carry these pieces after a decade. Heck, who knows these days? But also, it's a great piece to have in your collection, of course. And I don't even know if I saw this watching a movie, maybe or not. A movie called Abduction, starring Taylor Lautner, and I believe that the character, his best friend, is wearing this particular watch, I assume. Or, nah, it's not true. My mistake, it was a different G-Shock, but it wasn't a 6900. But also, it's a great piece to have in your possession. And also, give you a heads up on the Friday 13 collection. But what else? The lithograph posters are sold out, but you can still get the Blu-rays, of course. That's all you're gonna get. And the box set. So also 3 days from now until the 31st of July, the campaign for Indiegogo is gonna be closing soon. So better get your copy of Jason's Rising, a Friday the 13th fan film, before it's closed. Or in other words, you're going to be paying bigger bucks on eBay. So yeah, better go fetch it right now. Heck, they still got t-shirts and other stuff selling there, so better get it. And also next month, and maybe in the middle of the week of August, is maybe closing the Friday 13 Vengeance DVD and Blu-ray and other items in it. So better get that as well. But there's still more on the Indiegogo for the Robert Englund documentary. You got the documentary of Jason Goes to Hell the Final Friday. You better get that as well, of course. For all you fans of horror out there, and let's give some shout outs to I'm going to say their names, which is going to say to the watch collectors out there and to the physical medias out there, physical media collectors, that is. So yeah, wow. Let's wait for this to be finished. So anyway, shout outs to the watch collectors out there, and as well as for the physical media collectors out there for DVDs and Blu-rays and watches, and video game collectors out there as well, and the technologies and cell phones. All of you, be safe out there. Take care. God bless you. See you on the next vid. #Black Lives Matter.